I've got my May Eyescream Beauty Box. So if you want to see what I got this month, and there was a choice item, stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. This is Bandit on my lap, and can't really see him, just the top of his little head. There we go. Oh yes, so handsome. And Chloe is at home, but if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for checking us out. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. So this is my May Eyescream Beauty Box. This is $25 a month, and you always get some excellent items. It hasn't gone up, and there's no shipping. So it's a great deal. It's a very makeup forward box. If makeup forward boxes are what you're looking for and you're disappointed that some of your boxes are more skincare heavy, this you're going to get an eyeshadow palette in every box. You're going to get mostly makeup, and every now and then there's a skincare item, but usually it's all, if not most, makeup. I think last month we got an Earth Harbor product, so when they do send you a skincare, it's a very nice skincare item. Here is the card. It says May's theme is Cyber Garden. There is your sneak peek. Now this month featured a palette by Gourmand Girls, and for an extra $7 you could have gotten both. So you know, I paid the extra $7 and got both. Just to be clear, I was all over that one. First item I am pulling out is just really piquing my curiosity. I don't know what that is. Okay. I'm still confused. Oh, okay. I'm glad I didn't touch anything else with this. It's a blush. This is the Third Rose Blusher by Swarovski US, $30 value. It says it's been all over TikTok. You can use a finger or a flat brush to pick up product and apply it to your face. If you want a very light blush of color, you can also use a fluffy brush. It was definitely made to stay on any makeup vanity. It's too cute, and it certainly is. Alright, so there is the blush on. It's definitely something I would have to use a fluffy brush with, because that's just putting a little bit on and rubbing it in, and it is very, very pigmented. Very pretty though. Very pretty color. Next, by BFC Beauty for Certain. This is a Cabo Rojo High Pigment Gloss. This is a $22 value, and it does say it has a slight plumping effect. So there it is. Definitely a clear, so I'm not sure how it's high pigment. Huh? Alright, we'll see if that changes by the end of this video. Next, by Chantico Beauty, we have a duochrome liquid eyeshadow, and I think this was a variety of colors. Mine is 1734Y. This is a $19 value, and it says this will complete the look, or whatever the shadow is, will complete the look for both palettes. It can be used inner corner, highlights, brow bone, or as an eyeshadow topper. And it says it's stunning with any of the matte shades. So, see, it looks white, but I can definitely see some green shift in there. Ooh, no, there's like some pink. That is super pretty. I like that. Yeah, like when I look at it this way, I see more of like a blue purple, and then like a pink orange. Oh, it has such nice shift. Next, by Gerard Cosmetics, is the Bel Air Lip Liners. There is the color. And Gerard Cosmetics is definitely known for their lip products. It's a beautiful color. Goes on very smoothly. And last is the palette. So these are valued at $33. I did, like I said, I added on the extra one for $7. So I don't remember which one I chose and which one I added on, but these are the two palettes. These are Gourmand Girls times or with Cosmic Peaches. And this is the Power. And right in the center there, you've got your duochrome. You've got, that's like a foil. Oh, no, that might be duochrome too, I don't know. And your mattes. So this was more of like the darker look one. We're gonna get right into it. We're gonna do some swatching here. So we're gonna start with this row here. Ooh, they're very buttery. These are some of the mattes. Yellow is Dystopia, and then the brown is Grime, and the darker brown is Dark. Then we have Survivor, Sci-Fi, and Infinity. Oh, look at that. Gorgeous. I'm going to do, because I really want you to see the shift on this. Look at that. Ooh. And then last we have .exe, Trance, and Aesthetic. Yeah, there's definitely some shift on that too. The other two are very, very light. So I went in a second time with that Trance. And then that Aesthetic. So definitely good to put that topper over that liquid eyeshadow. Let's take a look. Definitely brings out some color there. And then Virtual is the second palette. And I'm super excited that we were offered the opportunity to be able to purchase the second one. And I think this was my choice, and I added on the other one because this was like, if I can only get one, it's got to be this one. We have Euphoric, Hotline, and Glitch. Ooh. Just went in and darkened that one up. I'm going to darken them all up for you. Space, Hyper, and Eclipse. And then Vice, that's going to be our other duochrome. Offline and Nostalgia. These are the two palettes, and I don't know, I think I kind of like this one better, even though this one would have been my first choice. But they're both fantastic. All right, let me know your thoughts. Did you get this box? Did you pick one? Did you add both of them on? I am loving these. I do love the Gourmand Girls formula. It's a very nice formula. And I only have a couple of palettes by this brand because you don't typically see them in subscription boxes. So super excited. I think the other one I got in Eyescream Beauty as well. Pretty sure. All right, well, let me know your thoughts. Which palette did you like better? Which one was more kind of your vibe, or were neither one? Thank you so much for spending a little time with me. please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell. Oh, any differences in the lips? I don't know. I don't think so. I didn't feel any warming for the plumping, so I don't know. But hopefully, I'll see you soon.